So in front of me I've got Google Pixel 7a. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet. And as you can see from the homepage of this app, you can add payment cards, check quick tips, manage your passes and add new passes to Google Wallet, like transit pass, loyalty and gift card. If you go to menu, you've got access to your Google account, all wallet tips, tap to pay setup, where you can set up payment cards, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Then you can check full list of participating banks, and manage your passwords in Password Manager. Next, you can go to your data in Wallet, where you can manage payments data and passes data. In Wallet settings, you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review your purchases, and updates from Wallet and Google Pay. In the end, you can go to help and feedback. And that's basically it for Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.